Hi everyone. Once again, I welcome you all for this session. In this session, we are going to discuss about how the advantage of reference models used in network have become a wonderful backbone for the connectivity throughout the world. So here we are going to discuss about the network reference models and its unique advantages and how it helps to connect the world worldwide. So here the network reference models are essential frameworks. They help us to understand the complex networks. So this model enables seamless global communication, and they also have a wonderful infrastructure market where they are implemented throughout the world, and especially because of this digital transformation of the entire world have changed, and it have paved way for several industries to do their business at the same time communicate throughout the world. So, what are network reference models? So, it is going to be a conceptual framework that simplifies the network design and operation. So, here the models divide the communication into discrete layers, as we discussed in the OSI layer or the TCP/IP layer, and it also uses a common shared languages for all the engineers, so that whenever they are implemented globally, especially this OSI and TCP, a common unique format is used. So similar format is used throughout the world. And the one more advantage is many times we have already discussed in the previous sessions, that is the layered approach, where the complex network is divided into either 7 layers in OSI or 5 layers in the TCP/IP, and each are assigned the specific functions. So the first advantage of this model is standardization and interoperability. So it ensures a very consistent protocol, that is the formats which have become very uniform, which is used throughout the world, and especially this enables multi-vendor. So even though the manufacturing companies are different, these vendors use a common format so that it is easily communicated, and interoperability is achieved with the maximum efficiency. It also facilitates global internet access. Just imagine 5 billion users connect on the same similar kind of a platform throughout the world. And here the most popularly the Cisco routers are used for this Microsoft servers. So here the standardization and interoperability is used because of a uniform format. The advantage too is modularity and simplification. So here the complex task is broken down into subtasks or sub layers, and this is what we call as modularity. And each layer is assigned a unique and separate function. So because of this troubleshooting, if something goes wrong, troubleshooting also becomes very easy, and the issues can be resolved in a very faster manner, since it is in a simple layers. So here the diagnostic time, the recovery time, and the update time. So the entire time which is has to be spent for the repair process or troubleshooting process whenever comes down, it becomes very less, so that we can easily manage. And also it helps the developers to deploy many complexity in a simpler manner. And here the complexity is very much reduced, so that if something goes wrong, it can be easily achieved. And whenever we want to enhance something, the newly developed product also can be deployed very easily and in a very simple manner. The advantage three is it facilitates education and training. So since it's a clear path for network professionals, so globally they want to use this similar format and similar way of operation. So here it paves way for the educational purposes, and whatever is the resolved issue, which can be communicated very easily. And several industries are offering certificates, so that whenever people are having this or possessing that certificate, they can be deployed anywhere in the world. So CCNA and several network examinations have the same format and similar type of certification, for example offered by Cisco, which is valid throughout the world, so that network engineers can easily work in any part of the world. Next one is the vendor independence. So it prevents lock-in, it promotes open standards, at the same time it prevents the proprietary lock-in, so that many industries have the opportunity. It also fosters innovation, so it engages encourages competition among similar vendors, which paves the way for innovation and daily and periodically new products emerge in the market. At the same time, it reduces the cost because of its diversified market. The cost is reduced because the demand is present throughout the world. So here the real world impact is both TCP/IP and OSI model is used worldwide, but OSI becomes theoretical and TCP becomes the practical model which is used throughout the world. So here the essential for the market networks is the indispensable frameworks, then the driving forces and future readiness. So it is very essential that we maintain a proper network so that it is performed uniformly and it is used throughout the world. With this, we come to the end of the session. Let us meet in the next session. Thank you.